Hello people, my name is IreneZab and welcome again to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing, like, comment and share, and welcome to the family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate for that, and may the Lord bless you. So today we are coming live from Laikipia cottages here in Anyuki. So I would like to show you how one of the houses looks like here. So please come with me. This is the sitting room. This is how it looks like. And here is the small dining. This is the kitchen. We have the fridge here. This is the bed. This is the bathroom, the toilet. This is bedroom number 2. It is a 2-bedroom house. And this is the bathroom and the toilet again. Another one for the bedroom number 2. So guys, the house is good, and the prices are very much affordable. If you need, I'm going to, maybe we wish to visit this place, I'm going to link their number in my description so that you can call the management and they will give you more directions. Guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for always supporting me, and please keep subscribing. Bye. See you in my next video.